Hi everyone. Imagine for a second that someone is standing behind you every time you use your computer. They're watching your passwords, reading your private messages, and even recording your credit card numbers. In the digital world, this isn't just a scary thought. It's exactly what spyware does. Today, we're diving deep into the world of anti-spyware software. In cybersecurity, this is your primary defense against invisible threats. While a virus wants to break your computer, spyware wants to watch you silently. Let's break down exactly how anti-spyware keeps you safe, the types of threats it stops, and which tools you should be using in 2025. So, how does anti-spyware actually work? It isn't just a simple scanner. It uses four sophisticated layers of defense. First, there's signature-based detection. Think of this as a digital most wanted list. The software compares your files against a database of known spyware fingerprints. Second is behavioral analysis, or heuristics. This is the smart part. Even if a spyware program is brand new and not on any list, the software monitors its behavior. If a hidden program suddenly starts recording your keystrokes or accessing your webcam without permission, the anti-spyware shuts it down immediately. The third layer is real-time monitoring. This acts like a digital bouncer at the door, scanning every download and email attachment before it can even install. And finally, registry protection prevents spyware from changing your system settings, like hijacking your browser's homepage. Why do we need this specialized protection? Because spyware comes in many dangerous forms. Take keyloggers, for example. These record every single key you press. That means your bank login, your private emails, and your social media passwords go straight to a hacker. Then there are infostealers, which hunt through your browser for saved cookies and cryptocurrency wallet keys. We also have adware, which floods you with pop-ups and slows your system to a crawl. Perhaps most invasive is stalkerware. This is often used to track a person's GPS location or listen to their calls without them ever knowing. Anti-spyware is designed specifically to sniff out these hidden processes that standard antivirus programs might miss. In 2025, the best way to stay protected is by using an integrated security suite. Here are the top 3 performers we recommend. Malwarebytes remains the king of deep cleaning. If you suspect you're already infected, this is the tool that finds what others miss. Bitdefender is excellent for overall protection. It uses advanced AI to predict threats before they even reach your device. And for those worried about their personal data, Norton 360 offers comprehensive identity theft protection, monitoring the dark web to see if your stolen info is being sold. For the tech-savvy users, a classic tool like Spybit Search and Destroy is still a great secondary choice to immunize your system settings against future changes. Before we go, how do you know if you need to run a scan right now? Watch for these red flags. Is your device suddenly sluggish? Is your data usage spiking for no reason? Or did your browser homepage change to a weird search engine? These are all classic signs of spyware phoning home with your data. Remember, in cybersecurity, privacy is a right, but it's also a responsibility. Using a dedicated anti-spyware tool is the best way to ensure that your private life stays private. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Stay safe out there.